So what is a state? State is an association of people living in a particular geographical area under a sovereign government. Do you understand that? If all these conditions are fulfilled, it is designated as state. There are 4 conditions and they have to be fulfilled, and then it becomes a state. Do you get it? So if a group of people have a territory of their own and a government of their own which is free from external control, they become a state. Is India a state? India has association of people, Indians, they have a territory of their own. What about government? Yes. And are we sovereign? So obviously the preamble also tells us sovereign democratic republic ऐसे ही होता है ना. Types of states or monarchy means a kind of state in which there is one king, queen, emperor, empress, generally referred to as the crown, who enjoys all the powers. Do you understand that? All the powers means legislative powers, executive powers, judicial powers, military powers, administrative powers. In fact, military and administrative powers are sub-powers within the executive powers. Do you get it? So that is a monarchy. Now monarchy also could be of 2 types. One is the absolute monarchy, and then there is the constitutional monarchy. Absolute monarchy means there is no law above the monarch. Absolute monarchs can turn into dictators as well, autocrats as well. So you will see this autocratic monarchy of France inspired the people to go into a revolution against the English or against the French king. Do you understand that? Autocracy matlab strong authority. Authoritarianism means autocracy. Do you get it? Constitutional monarch means he is just the symbolic head. Real powers are with the people who exercise this through the parliament. So the English queen or now the English king, they are what? Constitutional monarch. Do you understand that? And in Britain exists what? Parliamentary supremacy. Do you get it? So there are 2 kinds of monarchs, absolute and constitutional. ये कौन से हैं? Real monarch. और ये कौन से हैं? Symbolic. नाम के राजा. समझ में? Oligarchy. Oligarchy, there is a small group of people who rule the country and they have all the powers. Executive, legislative, judicial, military, administrative, all kinds of powers are with them. Do you get it? Now this small group could be, say, nobility, could be the members of the royal family, could be people who hold wealth, could be people of religion, could be anything. Do you understand that? But this small group of people, they hold all the power in the country. So instead of one man, there is a small group of people. It could be on the basis of a particular tribe, particular race, particular language, particular religion, anything. Do you get it? That is oligarchy. In a theocracy, it is believed that the state belongs to God, or the state belongs to one deity or a group of deities. It could be anything. Got it? And the government is the representative of that deity. Hence, the government should rule the country as per the scriptures or the religious texts. Do you get it? That is a theocracy. Do you get it? That is a theocracy. Autocracy. अब ये आपको already पता है. Remember authoritarian government? Authoritarian governments establish autocracy. In an autocracy, political plurality is rejected. जैसे single party rule, or a single ideology will rule and no other party or political ideology will be given any space. And as the name suggests, the autocrat uses strong authority like police or military or political police to curb the rights of the people. Do you understand that? That is an authoritarian regime or an autocratic regime. और आपको पता है constitutionalism ना हो तो ऐसा हो सकता है. A totalitarian state is one which has total control over your life, public life as well as personal life. आप क्या खाएंगे, क्या पहनेंगे, कौन सा religion follow करेंगे, आप कौन सी नौकरी करेंगे, आप कब शादी करेंगे, how many kids, everything is determined by government. That is totalitarian regime. Do you understand that? Complete control over your life. Dictatorship is one in which there is a single person or a single party. It could be one man dictatorship or one party dictatorship or one ideology dictatorship. They rule the country at their whims and fancies. The difference between monarchy or absolute monarch and dictator is that all monarchs carry royal blood. Do you understand that? But dictators might not carry royal blood, they might just come from the ordinary people as well. An ordinary man can also become a dictator when he tastes power. Do you get that? That's why Lord Acton, a famous British historian, has said, power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolute. ठीक है? तो जो रूल होगा वो किसके पास होगा? लोगों के पास. The word demo comes from demography. It means population. Cracy means rule. So rule of the people is democracy. Democracy could be direct democracy or representative democracy. ठीक है? डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी मतलब लोग खुद ही लॉ बना रहे हैं अपने लिए. डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी कहाँ पॉसिबल है? जब कंट्री बहुत छोटी सी हो या पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम हो. डू यू गेट दैट? इंडिया जैसी कंट्री में डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी हो ही नहीं पाएगा. कौन सी पार्लियामेंट है जहाँ पे 140 करोड़ पीपल आके इकट्ठा हो जाए और बात करोगे तो कौन सुन पाएगा? ऊपर से लैंग्वेज भी सेम नहीं है. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? Republic means that the head of the state will be an elected person and will come to office by election. It could be direct election, it could be indirect election. Do you understand that? So India is a republic because the head of the state, it means the Honorable President of India, comes to office not via succession but via election. Do you understand that? He is not selected or appointed, he is elected. Do you get it? That makes it a republic.